Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to show you offline mode quickly. So connect to your system that you want to work with, and if you want to work with, let's say, a source physical file when you're offline, say #lallen, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a local copy of it. So you can do that using the SPF clone. If you stick in your library name and click the fetch member list, it will actually show you a list of members that it's going to compare. Okay, so when it's done, it's generated me a list of members that are available to clone, and I'm just going to go ahead and click clone here. When it's finished, it was just, it will say that it's cloned successfully, and now we can actually work offline with the source code. So if we switch system, I'm just going to minimize Visual Studio, select offline mode, and then select the system that you want to work with. So now, whenever you open up a member listing or the tree view, let's add an SPF. Let's add #lallen. That didn't work. #lallen qrpgle source. That worked. Okay, cool. qrpgle source, and as you can tell, we have all the members that we've cloned. So now, whenever we make a change, let's say we make a change to my test, and we save it, that's only local. It's going to make all the changes locally. We can't do any compiling. It won't actually do anything because we're offline, and you can tell that when it's offline mode because it's in the top left. So let's make a few changes. Let's go into blah blah. Let's just so we've made some changes. We'll do one more. Let's say SQL test. Yep. So we've made a load of changes, some files, and I didn't mean to click that. So now when we go online next, so when we go into online mode and we connect to our system, it will actually prompt us whether we want to launch the SPF tool because we were in offline mode last time we were using it. So let's push our changes up to the IVMI, but now the difference is we'll actually be able to tick and untick files that we can push. But the neat bit is that it will only tick the files that have changed since we've been in offline mode. So we changed file blah blah, my test, and SQL test. So now when we click push, it will only change those files. Okay, so the push was successful. So now if we go down to the tree browser, #lallen qrpgle source, and look at which one do we look at? I think we looked at my test SQL and now our change is in there as we'd expect, which is cool. So that really is offline mode. Make changes offline and then see them and push them when you're back online. Cool. Thanks for watching.